Hi, welcome to a foreigner in the Philippines. We're still here because we feel it's been raining this morning, so we've been late and we've been exhausted for a few days now, so we just relax, and then Terence and Enoch will go to Tubigon to fix the red shark before it broke down. Yeah, so here is we got a neighbor from the main road, and she's having difficulty on coughing, and she's here to ask help for medications, to buy medications for a few days. So since we got also some soup from Jan S and tamales and some seedlings, so I'm gonna give also some seedlings so that she could plant some vegetable in her yard. Nang sabon. Kuan na para kaligo.
Salamat.
Nya. Kuan seedling.
Seedling?
Gikan na sa gawas ng seedling. Nya 500 tambal nimo.
Ano tao ko dino.
Suwa na. Initan raw na nang.
Salamat. Bet.
Sige.
Imbes nga mo imong kumualin. Ang sige aliliday na.
Ay na lang to Elise.
Tingin pa ito dit. Din la ko pagkauwa nga rin kon. Ang sinira pero tigit ang kaya ino bitigaw na.
Yes, so please like, comment, and subscribe, and to all our Patreon supporters, thank you so much.